Welcome. If you want to change lock method in your Samsung Galaxy S10, let's go for the settings. Right now you have to scroll down and tap on the lock screen. Select screen lock type right here. Currently we set up this swipe, so we can change it for the pattern. Draw your pattern, click continue and draw it one more time. Click confirm. Right now we can set up the notifications. Click done. Click on the agree. Click back, and right now check how our lock method has changed. And as you can see, the pattern right now is required to unlock the device. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.